If you still don't have this one, this is your sign. This is the mini portable electric shaver from Enchen Philippines. This is a harmless shaver that you can shave for a minute without looking. So let's try this one. To turn it on, you have to press the middle button. And as you can see, we do have a lot of mustache and hairs here. So it's around 3 days since nag-shave tayo. So from Friday, hindi tayo nakapag-shave, Saturday and Sunday. Since di naman ako umalis nung Friday. So now, let's try to clean this one. And without looking. I can really say you can shave without looking the camera or the mirror. Just that you have to be careful with your patilya, baka masama mo. And your face, of course. Yung convenience na nabibigay ni Enchen Philippines, it's a really 100%. Like right now, nagmamadali tayo. We have to go to the market, mag-grocery with wife. And alam naman natin, she wants us a clean look. At madumi na daw tignan. So this is the answer. Alright. Within less than a minute, clean na tayo and neat. So siguro onting clean na lang, deeper cleaning na lang. Baka may mga hindi pa nasama. And we're good to go.